Hello students, as you are observing on screen, congruency of triangles written over there. What is the meaning of congruency? So first we discuss from where this word come congruency word. The actual word is congruent. So what is the meaning of congruent? This is the condition when two figures overlap with each other and they are exactly identical. Not word is not proper. They are identical in shape. All sides are identical. All angles are identical, and each and every point of the figure are identical. So, for example, suppose I am writing over here A, and similarly I am writing over there here again one other A. So it looks like they are identical. This property is known as your congruency, and these two figures are known as congruent to each other. Congruent to each other. So this congruency word come from word congruent. In this topic we are going to discuss about congruency followed by triangles. So let's start. Two triangles are known as congruent to each other when their each and every sizes are identical. Every sides are identical. Sorry, previously I gave you the word sizes. Every sides are identical and every angles are identical. In that case, we can say that triangles are congruent to each other. So, for the provement of congruency, we must follow at least some points, and from those points, 3 points must be obtained or observed that whether they are identical or not. At least 3 points that we discuss later. So, what are the conditions of congruency? Let's start. Conditions. So first condition is if all the sides of two triangles, suppose we have triangle, give the name A, B, C, and this is your X, Y, and Z. Clear? So these two are triangles we have, and if all the sides are equal to each other, or the better word is all the corresponding part of one triangle is equal to other corresponding part, means if we are considering AB, so this AB is equal to this one XY, side BC equals to side YZ, and side AC equals to this one, then what happened? These two figures overlap each other side by side. They come and overlap with this figure. So these are known as a congruent. If all sides, corresponding sides are equal, then we can say that triangles are congruent. So this property, if we are considering only three of the sides, then it is known as your triple S property. Side property, or side congruency. Second one is your in the given figure, suppose we are considering these two sides are equal and these two sides are equal. Clear? An angle between them, this angle, are equal. These two angles are equal. Then we can easily say that triangles are congruent, and this property is known as side angle side. Always use capital letters. Side angle side congruency. Then we have Then in this some conditions may arise. Let's discuss. Okay, in this SAS property, some cases may arise that if these two sides are equal and angle, that is the equal angle, is on other hand side, not the included angle between these two equal sides, then some of you written over there here, no, it's a side and angle, these three are equal, so we can consider as a congruent triangle, but that is wrong. Always remember that if sides are equal and angles are equal, then if we are using SAS, the angle must be in between equal sides. Means this, and this angle must be including angle. Clear? So this is your SAS property. Second one is your two angles are equal. Two angles are equal. This angle and this angle equals to this angle, and including side, this one is are equal. Then we can say it is obeyed by angle side angle property. Angle side angle. This is your angle side angle property. Then second condition says that if some condition arises that equal side is not in between the equal angles, it must be any other line. So this is also considered as a point of congruency, and this is known as your angle side congruency. This we will discuss in the same topic. These two are under the same heading, but both are different part. That's why written over there different. And most important and most easiest, I am drawing a figure, a separate figure. Suppose there are two triangles. They are not, sorry, it is little bit lengthiest one. Clear? One of the angle is right angle of both the triangle, and hypotenuse are equal, and one of the side, any one of the side at the base or height are equal. Then this type of congruency is known as your Rhs congruency. Right angle, hypotenuse, and any one side is equal. After hypotenuse, the rest two are any one of these two sides are equal, then it is known as your Rhs congruency. So we use all these points to prove that two triangles are congruent or not. So let's start to solve some problem. As you are observing on the screen that there is a figure. In this this figure is a combination of two triangles. One is your, it's a A, B and O, and A, O and C. There are two triangles. My finger is not pointing properly. Let me use my pen. This is a triangle A, B and O, and this is another triangle AOC, sorry. So it says that prove that these two triangles are congruent, but in this case we have to use, strictly says that use triple S rule. So yes, we can use triple S rule. And how you solve, how you writing, I am writing over here this part. I think you are able to see. It is written, we first write in, we first pick the triangles in triangle ABO and triangle AOC. I hope you are able to see the figure. Yes. in triangle ABO and triangle AOC, we have to compare both the sides. First, what we are observing that AB 5 centimeter, AC also 5 centimeter. This part come under triangle of ABO, this part come under triangle AOC or ACO. So here we can write down AB equals to AC. Why? It is given. It is given. And then BO equals to OC. CO you can say. And these two things are given. Again, the side AO, it is common in both the triangle. So you can write down AO is common. So we can say that triangle ABO congruent. For congruency sign, we use equal to sign, and then above the equal to we use a wave sign. Clear? So triangle ABO and triangle AOC are congruent. How we prove that? By using SS property. SSS property. Likewise, you have to prove the congruency. This part is the provement for congruency only. Clear? So let's discuss some more questions. Okay, as you are observing that in this case ABCD is a parallelogram. In this side side AD and BC is given 4.8 centimeter, and we have to prove triangle ADC and triangle ABC are congruent to each other, but we strictly obey the rule side angle side. So how we solve it? Again, we can write down in triangle, first choose this one ADC and triangle ABC. In this case, we know that AD equals to BC and it is equals to 4.8 centimeter given, and side AC is common. Angle DAC is a part of triangle ADC, na? Angle ACB, these two angles are equals to 45 degrees. This is also given, so we can say that triangle. Now by using this side is these two sides equal, and this is common to side angle side property. So by triangles ADC congruent to triangle ABC by side angle side congruency. So now with the help of these two examples, you are able to solve all the solutions given in all the problem given in your book. As you are observing on the left hand side of the screen, there is a complex figure, and in question is given that we have to use angle side angle property for provement of congruency. How we use them? So let's start, but be careful what I am using. We first take, I hope you are able to see, in triangle ADB and triangle ACB. Okay, now see first in this case that about triangle DAB. For triangle DAB, angle DAB equals to 45 plus 30, 75 degree. Clear? And again, and for triangle CBA or ACB, whatever you call, angle CBA equals to 75 degree. That thing is clear. 45 plus 30, and this angle is already given 30 degree. So let's start. This side is common. So first we write side AB is common. Clear? And angle CAB for that ACB, and angle DBA for this one. Equals to angle CAB equals to 30 degree. It is given. Also angle CBA or DAB so we can say that triangle ADB congruent to triangle ACB by angle side angle property. So hope this one is clear to you. So next question, and today's last question, that one. As you are observing on left hand side of the screen, it is given that in triangle ABC, BD and CE are equal. Why? Because they are height of the triangle ABC. So angle D and E must be equals to 90 degree. Question says that prove that triangle BCE and BCD are congruent to each other. How is proof? It's the easiest one. See, if you see that in this two triangle, this is your right angle triangle, so this is your hypotenuse, and for this again it is hypotenuse, and hypotenuse is common and equal. Number one. Number two, these two sides are equal. This is your 90 degree, so we use RHS property. So let's start. In triangle BCE and triangle BCD, BC is common. First write down BC is common in both the triangle. Side BC is common. Then angle D means for BCE, angle E means angle BEC equals to angle BDC equals to 90 degree. This one is clear. Then from it is given that B side BD and CE equals to BD. So therefore we can say triangle BCE congruent to triangle BCD by RHS property. Likewise, resolve all the question, and this one is for the students of my school, that during this lockdown we are going to reduce the syllabus. So in this case you have to solve question number 1 to 5 of exercise 18A. Solve exercise 18A, solve question number 1 to 5 only. After completing the chapter, I will inform you once again, but to solve only this much question, but solve each and every question in your fair copy. That's all for today. Thank you.